To create a new group in IPRO for Enterprise, open the System Manager by selecting the gear icon on the top right corner of the screen. Choose the Groups tab from the vertical menu. All procedures involving group management can be accessed from this page. To create a new group, select the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. On the Setup Group Details page, you have the option to either create a new group from scratch or to copy the user's permissions and cases of an existing group. By selecting the second option, Copy Existing Group, you can choose a group from the drop-down menu whose configuration you'd like to apply to the new group. This option may be helpful if the new group that you're creating will share many of the same users' permissions or cases of a group that has already been created. For this tutorial, we're going to build a new group from scratch, so we can go ahead and select the first option, Create New Group. Provide a name for the new group, then click Next. On the Assign User step, select the names of any users you would like to assign to the group. Selected users are highlighted in blue. When working with long lists, you can search for the needed user by selecting the magnifying glass and typing their name in the search bar. To assign all users to the group, click Select All. When all needed users have been selected, click Next. On the Set Permission step, there are a few methods you can take to define the new group's permission settings. To use a predefined security template, click on the Template Name dropdown and select the template you need. Alternatively, if you'd like to use the permissions assigned to an existing group, you can choose the Copy from Group option, then select the appropriate group from the Group Name dropdown. In either case, the permissions displayed on this step will update according to the group or template you selected. From here, you can leave the permissions as they are, or further modify them in the collapsible sections below. If you would prefer to set the permissions manually, you can do so by expanding the various permission groups on this page and selecting the checkbox beside the name of each needed permission. When you've set all permissions for the group, click Next. On the final step of the wizard, assign cases to the new group by clicking on the names of the appropriate cases in the list. Cases that have been selected are highlighted in blue. When finished, click Save. The new group is created and added to the Groups page in the System Manager.